Easy and delicious zebra cake, a step-by-step guide. Hello friends, and thank you again for choosing my channel. I hope you'll stay with me until the end of the video because today I'm going to make an easy, delicious, and visually stunning zebra cake. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 180 grams, 3/4 cup, granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 110 grams, 1/2 cup, milk, 190 grams, 3/4 cup, vegetable oil, 200 grams, 1/2 cups, all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 30 grams, 1 tablespoon, unsweetened cocoa powder, parchment paper. Instructions: in a large bowl, whisk together the eggs and sugar until light and fluffy. This may take a few minutes, depending on whether you're mixing by hand or using an electric mixer. Add the vanilla extract and whisk until combined. Pour in the milk and whisk for about 30 seconds. Add the vegetable oil and whisk until combined. Whisk together the flour and baking powder. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, whisking until just combined. Divide the batter evenly into 2 bowls. Add 30 grams of flour to a bowl and combine with the batter. To 1 bowl, add the cocoa powder and whisk until combined. Transfer the batters to 2 separate piping bags. Pipe the batters into the prepared cake pan in an alternating pattern, as shown in the video. Gently tap the pan on the counter a few times to remove any air bubbles and level the batter. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and grease and line an 8-inch cake pan with parchment paper. Bake for 30 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool completely in the pan before inverting it onto a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cake is cool, slice and serve. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this recipe for easy zebra cake. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.